Hi, Father's Day 2025. It is the 15th of June 2025. Daniel Parsons here. Really excited. I found a company that has the nanotechnology, adaptogens, and toured their facility. And they have incredible products like this right here. And real quick testimonial on this V Daily. This is uh, 30 little stick packs with 5 grams of all the amino acids, vitamins, adaptogens, micronutrients, nanotechnology, multivitamins, prebiotic, probiotic. And I have not had any caffeine today, and it's after 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And I absolutely am blown away by this product. And the reason is Vital Health, which is a company based out in Western Mexico and the Sonora region, a city called Hermosillo. And the owner flew me down there as I've had experience in the wellness field. And they have launched the business into the United States for just over a year now. This company's been open in Mexico since February of 2022. So it's not a startup. And I toured their facilities. And I just want to quickly go on screen share and share with you the picture here. Let me go to the picture, this one. Okay. So this is, I had to put on the lab coat over my clothes. I had to put on dust covers on my shoes. Their facilities are incredibly well maintained. They operate 2 shifts in the production of these wellness products. And it's a real good time right here. I'll go ahead and finish with what all I had to put on. I had to put on a face mask, had to put on a hairnet over my hair, which I don't have a whole bunch of hair, and then a helmet on top of my hairnet. And so I couldn't take any jewelry, any phones, or anything in there. I mean, they don't want their facility photographed and all that stuff. And I totally understand that. I'm a commission-based affiliate of Vital Health. I'm not an employee. So now it's a real good time for me to come in and give you my FDA disclaimer. The Vital Health products are not intended to treat, diagnose, cure, prevent any disease or illness. Always consult with medical providers for your healthcare needs. We are not a health company. It's Vital Health Global, as that's what the company is run by Dr. Tony Rodriguez. He is a very successful naturopathic doctor that has a waiting list of over 6 months to get in to see him at his main clinic in Hermosillo, Mexico. And so these products definitely work. And so how can you find out more? And then I'm going to give you my testimonial about the product I showed you, the V Daily. So go into your web browser and just type shop.vitalhealthglobal.com and then my username, Heal with Daniel. And I'll show you that right now. Go on screen share. And so shop.vitalhealthglobal.com/Heal with Daniel. Now, tomorrow, June 16th, you will, I'll accept the cookies there so you can get the same thing that I see. So the detox challenge is starting for the summer detox tomorrow, June 16th, running for 10 days. And we have giveaways and prizes and incentives. And so I highly recommend that you look at this company because they control every single part of the process. This V Organics right here, these are herbs. This is homeopathic wellness products that your body is getting all kinds of good nutrients. And so I'll let you read all this because it'll save the time on the video. So you can see here, everything is so affordable. And so if you want to even get a better price, I can show you how to do that for a one-time annual payment of just $29.99. If you ordered a couple of these products, you would more than be able to pay for that one-time $29.99 fee every month. I mean, I'm sorry, every year. Excuse me. It's only once a year that you need to pay for that. So I'll sign off on this video. I was blown away on the tour. Not only do they have things very, very clean, it's all climate controlled because it gets really hot down there in Mexico in the summer. And the truck, once they have all the product ready, it's the product and the goods and the materials that make all the herbs and the plants and fruits and veggies that these products are made from is kept in a controlled warehouse. And I also toured the big, huge new warehouse where they're going to have another production laboratory to keep up with the growth that's coming in this company. And they did $41 million last year. They're on track for $100 million or more this year. And it's part of my marketing is going to help push that. And I'm a small peg in the big cycle of things, but you get a whole bunch of people doing what I'm doing and you get explosive growth. And so I want to say this, that they have about 7 hours of the day where they have a cleaning crew come in and they sanitize the laboratory. And they come in and they do inspections every day. They do 30-minute inspections throughout the production cycles every day. And they're making sure that people are getting the right grams for the products they're buying. And this is huge, my friend. When a company owns the entire process of getting the raw materials and the ingredients, and then having their own in-house laboratory where they monitor everything with precision, and they make sure that the product that you're getting is what you paid for. I can just share my experience. I have been in a huge marketing company based in Utah in the United States. I'm not going to name any names. And they shipped me products a few times in the past few years, and half of the veggie capsule was empty. And so when you have everything in-house, the company is like a magnifying glass, making sure everything is clean, making sure everything is pure, making sure the temperature is right, even on the truck that transports the products to the warehouses in Arizona. And then now there's a warehouse in Miami, and it's all climate controlled. So you've got a warehouse on the East Coast of the United States, a warehouse on the West Coast of the United States. So I highly recommend this company for this nanotechnology and adaptogens and the scientists. And I've got all kinds of more information coming. I'm going to publish everything that I'm allowed to publish. One of their scientific advisors, Dr. Gustav, he was with a huge wellness company based in the United States. And he said when he found out about Vital Health and they contacted him, and this guy is a brilliant microbiologist, and he's published on PubMed, and he's done research at Johns Hopkins. And he said, he looked right at me and he said, they called me and I came to Vital Health. I'm so glad I got to experience the Dr. Tony Rodriguez, and he gave me a hug for coming to visit. And just a wonderful, wonderful company. I'm still pumped up from that visit. So that's it for now. Contact me by phone if you have any questions. Pacific time zone 360-383-0265. Pacific time weekdays. Bye for now.